Hello everybody, I'm Gwen M, the Simple Marketer, and in this video I am getting ready to buy a tool. Okay, and I'm going to share that tool with you. Um, I use tools, or I see tools as employees. Um, these tools help me run my business. Okay, so I hire extra employees so that I can give them something to do while I work on another aspect of my business. So that's how I see tools. And I am getting ready to buy one. It's called Simple Social Tool. And I'm going to explain exactly what this tool is going to do or help me do in my business. Okay, so let's talk about this tool. It is called Simple Social Tools. Okay, it's called Simple Social Tools. Okay, I didn't name the tool. Okay, but it is a great tool to have. Okay, and it is a Facebook tool. Okay, so it lets you create a highly targeted audience on Facebook. Okay, it helps you get likes. It helps you build up your friends on Facebook. All right, and it helps you in a lot of multiple ways. It helps you communicate with the people on Facebook. Okay, and the best thing about this tool is that it is very budget friendly, which means it doesn't cost much. It costs about $27 to be exact. That's it, one time payment. And you can build up any Facebook page. Okay, now if you have a Facebook page and you don't have a lot of likes and you don't have a lot of people that's seeing your posts, then you need this tool. Okay, so that is why I'm purchasing the tool. I am trying to build up my Facebook page to get more likes and to be more visible when I do post on my page. Okay, so I want a lot of people to see my post. Okay, so that's what this tool will help you do. Okay, so I am getting ready to purchase the tool and okay, so I just bought this tool and I am in the back office. There's some upsells that I didn't buy. I just bought the tool because the tool is all I want, but they have quite a bit of upsells. Okay, so if you should decide that you want to use this tool to help your Facebook page, you can skip over the upsells if you don't want them. Okay, so you don't necessarily have to have the upsells. Okay, so be careful not to buy them because you really don't need it. Okay, if you just want the tool itself. Okay, so I just bought the tool here. Okay, so I am in the members area. Okay, and as you can see where the yellow squares are, those are upsells. You don't need them. You can skip them. If you're interested in them, by all means, you can buy them. Okay, but I just bought the audience tool, okay, where it says click here. So I am going to literally click and see what my next step is. Okay, so on the next page, there's a video of how to install. This is an extension that goes on your Chrome, and I'm quite sure it has it for Firefox. If you use Firefox, I'm quite sure that this extension can be installed on your Firefox. But now I am getting ready to install it on my Chrome by clicking on the SS Chrome extension button. Okay, so on the next page, there's a video of how to install. This is an extension that goes on your Chrome, and I'm quite sure it has it for Firefox. If you use Firefox, I'm quite sure that this extension can be installed on your Firefox. But now I am getting ready to install it on my Chrome by clicking on the SS Chrome extension button. Okay, so I hope you guys can see it. It's that little round blue thing that is the Simple social tool, Facebook tool. Okay, so it is on my Chrome. And again, guys, it was only $27. It is going to help you get a ton of Facebook traffic. Okay, so I'm getting ready to click on it and maybe to see how it works. Okay, I'm so excited. FYI, everybody, this is a JV Zoo product. Okay, so JV Zoo has a lot of products. Okay, and this is one of them. Okay, so when you buy this tool, there is a authorization code that you need to get this software going. It took me a while because I couldn't find the authorization code, but it is a JV Zoo product, and when you purchase it, you're going to need a JV Zoo account, so you're probably going to have to set up one. And when you purchase it, it will allow you to get access to this tool, okay? And it will show you where your authorization code is, okay? This is for your information purposes, so you won't have to struggle the way I did looking for the authorization code. Okay, so my tool is all set up to use on Facebook. Guys, this is how I spend my money very wisely on something that is going to help me grow my traffic and grow my business. Okay, so I am going to be doing some updates on this tool and how it's working for me. So thanks for watching this video. If you like this kind of content, smash that subscribe button and click on that bell to be notified every time I upload a video, which is Monday through Friday. And I'll talk to you guys in another video. And don't forget to look for the update of this simple social tool. Okay, talk to you later.